Good morning, students. Hi, today I, Payal Parekh, am back and in Payal's Key Easy Commerce. We're doing FY BCom Semester 2. We are starting with concept of services. Let us understand ये services क्या होता है. So, services are the act or performance performed by one party to another for a consideration. Now, it could be an interest, it could be, some charges that the person is taking for the service. So 100% pure goods ka combination is to 100% pure services. Now, for example, like a lunch at a restaurant comes with a combination of a tangible item that is food and an intangible service of the restaurant staff. Uske baad I have is intangibility. Those services do not have a material form and therefore they are intangible. Those services like banking, insurance, telecom, airlines, etc. The first one that we're doing is intangibility. They cannot be possessed like physical goods. They cannot be touched, but they are experienced. That is why it is intangible. Now, a demonstration of such services is difficult. Are you understanding? Then building strong corporate image to trust and confidence to customers, all of that comes under this. That is intangibility. The second thing that I have is inseparability. What do I mean by inseparability? When I'm talking about inseparability, I have is services cannot be easily separated from the service provider. A doctor must be physically present at the time of treating the patient. So geographical reach is restricted. Use of automation such as ATMs by the hotels. Are you understanding? Then I have is inconsistency. All waiters, at a hotel are not equally polite. Teachers in a college may teach differently. So all of these are the examples of inconsistency. Like sometimes it is good, sometimes it is okay. फिर है inventory less or perishability. Services are highly perishable. Services cannot be stored for future sale. अगर आज मेरे दिन का होटल रूम नहीं बिका तो फॉर एवर 21 जनवरी में वो होटल का पैसा कभी भी नहीं आएगा बिकॉज दैट डे हैज गॉन. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सिमिलरली अगर फ्लाइट का वो सीट नहीं बिका है so it is not going to be doing. Are you understanding? The fifth point I have is interaction. So there is a need for interaction between the service provider and the customer. So the services are a need of the customer. Are you understanding? So they both have to be talking to each other. Are you understanding? अगर interaction वो एक कस्टमर ने वेटर को बोला मुझे लेस स्पाइसी फूड चाहिए, दूसरा कस्टमर ने बोला मुझे ज्यादा स्पाइसी चाहिए. So there is an interaction between the customer and the waiter. Now, they cannot be produced in anticipation of demand. For example, computers है, cars है, कभी you never know लॉकडाउन में पूरा सेल्स ड्रॉप डाउन हो गया, पूरा वो आउटडेटेड हो जाएगा in other 6 months. So you have to play and gamble the demand based on what you think or not beyond a particular capacity what you know will not going to be sold off. Cannot be returned to the seller. So for example, you went to a parlor and you did a nice hairstyle, but somehow you realize it is not looking good on you and you had selected their hairstyle. So thoda wo change karega but not completely. Are you understanding? So I cannot return my hairstyle back to the seller. So, I'll have to take that thing also. Then the eighth one is can be viewed as spectrum. So what do you mean by spectrum? Spectrum is a broad horizon. A restaurant where a waiter's service is intangible, the food is going to be tangible. तो वहां पे tangibility भी है और intangibility भी है. The ninth one I have is channel of distribution. So for example, so अगर मुझे होटल में खाना खाना है या होटल का खाना खाना है तो या तो मुझे वो ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा जोमेटो या स्विगी, या I'll have to go to a restaurant to experience it. So I will have to go to that agent or go to that particular person to approach them. That is the channel of distribution. The 10th one I have is involvement of others. So the procedure of this thing is like For example, students hai and the teacher is there. So 10 students have asked me questions and 10 have not. I could not finish in that 1 hour. So I'll have to make sure that the other 10 students, I will do it the next time. Are you understanding? Then it is non-transfer of ownership. Services do not result in transfer of ownership rights from the service provider. For instance, when you book a hotel room, you don't acquire the ownership of that room. मतलब मैंने वो एक रात के लिए ही वो लिया है, मतलब मैं उसका वो होटल रूम का मालिक नहीं बन जाता हूँ. Are you understanding? And difficulty in valuation of services. Like see, like a doctor, like when I go for kids, sometimes he charges 200 rupees. When I go for myself, the doctor would charge, 6,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, depending upon kya wo hai. So it is difficult to value those services. Thank you, students. I hope now this concept of characteristics of services has become very easy. Thank you, students. And the source for the same has been taken by me from Manan Prakashan.